Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my makeup turned mommy channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be starting my whole spring cleaning segment to transition into my more mommy content. I'm gonna start off with my boys' bathroom because it is nasty. It's gross in there. But yeah, so if you like spring cleaning, cooking, grocery hauls, mom life in general, then go ahead and click that subscribe button because I'm gonna be bringing you all beauty, mom, lifestyle. It's time to start getting clean. All right, so I just got done with the kids' bathroom. This is basically what I did with it. I basically just cleaned up, swept the floor, mopped it, changed out the garbage, cleaned the toilet. Y'all saw how nasty that was. That was gross. Switched their toothbrush thing, hung a pretty little picture up there, switched out the shower curtain, and then I've hung up this, I got this over the door hook thing from Target, which finally I have somewhere to put their towels. But I live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, so my apartment's not super huge, so that's why I didn't really do much of anything. I may throw like some fake plants in the bathroom, and then like hang a picture right here, excuse the tripod, but like right here, so that it can all kind of tie together. But it looks good because this is my boys' bathroom, but it's also the guest bathroom, so that's why I wanted to make it like kind of neutral, like it doesn't really have a specific theme. All right, so that's basically the end of the video. It's about time for my little guy to wake up to eat because I'm nursing him. So it's about time for him to get up and nurse. And then I have to start getting ready for the day and all that, and then pack my gym bag for later. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully this is a nice beginning to a lot of mommy content. So if you enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.